Today, we're diving into a handy skill in Google Sheets, moving rows. Whether you're reordering data, prioritizing tasks, or simply organizing your sheet, knowing how to move rows efficiently is essential. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your Google Sheets document. If you're working with an existing sheet, great. If not, create a new one by clicking the colorful icon labeled blank or choose from a template. Step 2. Decide which row you want to move. Click on the row number, on the left side, to select the entire row. Step 3. Once the row is selected, right-click on it. Choose Cut from the context menu. Step 4. Next, decide where you want to move the row. Click on the row number where you want to insert the row. Right-click and choose Insert one above or Insert one below, depending on your preference. Step 5. Right-click again in the newly inserted row. Choose Paste from the context menu. Step 6. Voila! Your row has been moved to the desired position. Remember that you can move multiple rows at once by selecting a range of row numbers. Practice, explore, and keep your spreadsheet organized.